Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix a Telegram connecting issue. So if you're facing this problem, then whenever you open your Telegram, it just says connecting and doesn't loads up anything. So in that case, the first reason could be your internet. So check your internet if it is slow or not, because most of the time it's your slow internet that's causing the problem. And if your internet is not slow and you're still facing this problem, then what you need to do is check if there's any update for Telegram. So you need to go to your app store and search for Telegram. Once you search for Telegram, if it shows you open, that means your Telegram is up to date. But if it shows you update, then click on it to update your Telegram. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then Telegram server might be down. And when Telegram servers are down, you cannot use it properly. To check if Telegram servers are down or not, you want to go to your browser and search for is Telegram down detector. Once you search for this, you want to scroll a bit down and click on down detector. Once you click on it, it'll show you if it is down or not. So it says user report indicates no problem at Telegram, which means Telegram server is not down because no one is facing any problem. But if it said yes, then that means Telegram servers would have been down. So since it's not down, the problem is with my device. So what I need to do is just delete my Telegram app and reinstall it again. Once I do that, the bug which is causing this problem will be deleted. And when I reinstall Telegram, the newer version will be installed and it should start to work. So that is how you guys can fix your Telegram connecting issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.